Before beginning the agitator removal process, proper identification of your specific agitator type is essential for successful completion of the task. Maytag washing machines feature three primary agitator configurations, each requiring specific removal techniques and considerations. Dual action agitators feature two distinct sections that operate independently. The upper section typically moves in one direction, while the lower section rotates in the opposite direction, providing enhanced washing action. Single-piece agitators consist of one solid unit that moves as a complete assembly. These designs are typically found in older models and feature a more straightforward removal process. Fabric softener dispensing agitators incorporate built-in dispensers that must be addressed during removal. These units require special attention, as the dispenser component typically needs to be removed first. Once you have identified your specific agitator type, the next critical step involves gathering the appropriate tools for safe and effective removal. Professional agitator removal requires specific tools to ensure both safety and successful completion of the procedure. The primary tools include an adjustable wrench or socket set for bolt removal, a flathead screwdriver for cap removal, and needle nose pliers for handling small components. Additionally, penetrating oil is essential for loosening stuck components, and safety gloves provide necessary hand protection during the removal process. Critical safety protocol requires complete disconnection of the washing machine from both electrical power and water sources before initiating any removal procedures. With proper agitator identification completed and all necessary tools assembled, you are now prepared to proceed with the systematic removal process safely and effectively. The agitator removal process varies depending on whether you have a dual action or single-piece agitator. We will examine both procedures in detail to ensure successful removal. There are two primary types of Maytag agitators. Dual action agitators feature separate upper and lower sections that move independently, while single-piece agitators consist of one solid unit. For dual action agitators, we begin with a systematic approach. First, examine the washing machine interior to identify the agitator components. Step 1. Remove the fabric softener dispenser if present. Simply lift it straight up from the top of the agitator. This component lifts off easily without tools. Step 2. Locate and remove the agitator cap at the top center. This cap may be removed by hand or require a flathead screwdriver for leverage. Step 3. Unscrew the central agitator bolt. This bolt is typically 7/16 or 1/2 inch in size. Turn counterclockwise to loosen and remove completely. Step 4. Lift the upper agitator section straight up. With the bolt removed, it should lift off easily. Then remove the lower section by unscrewing its base bolt using the same counterclockwise motion. For single-piece agitators, the process is more straightforward. Remove the top cap or dispenser, locate the central bolt, and remove it counterclockwise. If the agitator is stuck, apply penetrating oil and allow it to penetrate for 15 to 20 minutes. When encountering a stuck agitator, patience is essential. Apply penetrating oil around the base and allow 15 to 20 minutes for penetration. Rock the agitator gently side to side while applying steady upward pressure. Never use excessive force, as this may crack the agitator or damage the threads. Remember to work methodically and maintain proper safety precautions throughout the removal process. With the correct technique and appropriate tools, agitator removal can be completed successfully by most homeowners.